Hey Sam fam, welcome back to another video. Except this video isn't going to be normal building things and playing games and stuff. In this video it's going to be a tutorial video on how to make a counter quest in the Sandbox game maker. You can find my TikTok in the description down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Sit back and let's get into it. Oh, and don't forget to relax. This is probably going to be a short video. So, okay, and here we are. Okay, and so just gonna create new and click that's not how you spell counter. Counter quest. Okay, now that we're loaded in, let's just make this borderless windowed. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is, so first we're gonna start off with going like this, so you can add your quest. You're gonna click add quest. Whatever you're gonna make it about is what you name it. Let's just name it artifact collector, and quest description. You can put whatever you have to do. Collect the ancient artifacts. Okay, I probably spelled something wrong, but whatever. Then you're gonna so if you want the quest to unlock as soon as you load into the game, you'll leave it as auto unlock and auto launch. But if you want the game to require a message, you can click require message and maybe do whatever message you want. I'm gonna do AT for artifact, like the end of ancient artifact. Okay, AT, add. You're still gonna probably want to do auto launch, but you can do requires message. So then you'll have to go and talk again to launch the quest, but I would leave that as auto launch. Then you're gonna do counter quest, because this is what we're doing today. So it's gonna be a counter quest and collected objects. There's gonna be only one, but you can make it however many you want. Now you have to add a tag, which I'm just gonna put AT. And so once you add a tag, when you put down your thing that you have to collect, now you have to give that item the tag that you gave it. So give it non-behavior. Also, something you have to do is give it the collectible component. And you can do that on collision if you want, or on interaction. And then you have to add a tag to it. And we're gonna add the tag at. Now that it has the tag, that is required for you to collect it. Then once you complete it, you can do auto completion, or it requires a message to complete it, or wait for input. Let's do auto completion and then click, and then whatever you want to happen after completion, send message, end game. And there is your counter quest. And now, so it requires a message for the quest to be unlocked. So just go to this dude and let's make him an asker, and he will say, go grab that artifact. And so you can do whatever answer you want, which is going to be okay. Then you're going to edit his logic, and answer 2, you're going to look for at or whatever message you had used, and now here's how your game will work. So when you load in, you come over here to this dude, you speak to him, go grab that artifact, and now your quest is unlocked. As you can see, the description comes up on the side and it tells you what you need to grab. You can grab it on collision or interaction, as I said, and when you're all done, your game will end, or whatever you want to happen will happen. And that's how you can set up a counter quest in the Sandbox game maker. So I hope this video was helpful, and comment down below for any more tutorials that you need to be done, and I will do them. So I'll catch you in the next one, Sand Fam. Help us make a better future today in the metaverse.